Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be going to talk about the simulation of high pass RC network. So as per the circuit diagram, you can see that the input signal is a sine wave whose the amplitude is 5 volt peak to peak, and initially we will be providing a frequency of 100 hertz, and later we will be, since we are doing the frequency response, we will be changing the frequency from this 100 hertz to maybe 1500 hertz or 1.5 kilohertz. So that's we will do. And in the circuit diagram we have a capacitor whose value is 0.22 microfarad and a resistor. Across the resistor we will be connecting the CRO where we get the output. So the resistor is a 6.8 kilo ohm resistor. Let's do it in the software. So since we are using this proteus software, so first of all you need to import a resistor and capacitor. So that's what we are doing right now. So take one resistor, add to the library, and then a capacitor, and which is also added to the library. That's it. Once both the resistor and capacitor added together, so as per the circuit diagram, we have a capacitor. You need to place the capacitor here, and we need to rotate it. Let's go to clockwise, and let me zoom it a little bit. Yes, okay. So the capacitor value is 0.022 microfarad. That's it. And we need to place one resistor. So the resistor here, I'm going to place the resistor, just rotate and move it a little bit like this, connect the capacitor and the resistor. That's it. And I need to place one ground. So let me place one ground. Here it is. Yeah, that's resistor is connected to the ground, and need to give the supply. Since it is a sine wave, you choose the sine, and which is provided here and which is given to the input to the capacitor. And that's it. Now need to edit the properties, select sine wave, and initially I'm going to give 5 volt and the frequency is 100 hertz. That's it. Just configure this. Okay, that's fine. And since we need to see the output, you need to plot a graph. You need to plot a graph, select the frequency and just drag it over here. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is a frequency response. And now I need to place one voltage probe which is here across, which is capacitor C12. Yeah, that's it. Now just select that capacitor, drag and drop into this graph model. Now you can see the frequency response is there. Now right button on the graph, just edit properties, choose this capacitor, and 0 to 10 to 1 megahertz. So just click OK. That's it. Let's simulate the graph. So as you can see, in the high frequencies it is passing, and coming to the low frequency range it is coming down to down the value, the gain will be coming down. So as you can see, this is a graph for, and if you wanted to see this graph, just click on the frequency response here over the top bar. So this is how its lower band is dropping. Since the low frequencies, it is not allowing the low frequencies to pass through, and coming to this y-axis is the frequency range. When the frequency range is increasing to 1 mega, you can see we are getting a stable response there. So this is how the frequency response. And if you wanted, you can export the graph, or if you wanted to, save the image, those things you can do, and also you can export the value to an CSV file as well. So that's all. The simulation of this high pass RC network.